Welcome dear student, I hope you are doing well. How to solve this complex equation problem? It is a little tricky and challenging. Okay, let's start it. To solve this type of equation, first we assume that every side of the equation is a function. For example, we take y1 is equal to 4 to the power of x, y2 is equal to 4x. The first one is an exponential function, it grows exponentially, and the second one is a linear function, it grows linearly. So the solution of this equation is actually the intersection point of two functions. To solve this type of function, first we draw the graph of both function. Here we gives optionally value for x and can calculate y. Here is, for example, y1. If the first relation or function x is, for example, 0, for the power of 0 is 1. If, for example, the x is 1, the y value is 4, because 4 the power of 1 is equal to 1. If, for example, x is minus 1, here is 4 the power of minus 1, 1 over 4. In the second relation, when, for example, x is 0, 4 multiplied by 0, y2 is 0, the same. If, for example, x is 1 or 2, for example, 1 we give 1. If the x is, for example, 2, 4 multiplied by 2 gave us 8. Now we draw the graph of both function. We first prepare the Cartesian plan. Okay, here we draw the x-axis and here the y-axis. We separate equal unit 1 here, for example, 2, 3, 4, and the upper side here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The left side here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and the downside here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now we draw the graph of first exponential function here. When x is 0, y is 1, we find here with a different color. For example, red is okay, or blue. 0, when x is 0, y is 1 here, and when here when x is 1, y is 4, x1, y 4. The next one, when the x is minus 1, y is 1 over 4. Here x minus 1, y is 1 over 4 here is actually. Now we connect these points together because it's exponential, and now we draw the second graph here. When x is 0, y is also 0, and when x is 2, y is 8, x 2, y 8 here. We connect these 2 points together. Now the solution of this equation is actually the intersection point of two graph. Here one is here, 4 actually the intersection point. First one, x1 equal to 1 over 2 here, 1 over 2, and x2 is equal to, and x2 is equal to 1 here. This is the solution of this equation. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comments.